Welcome to my blog, guys. Today we are going to sign in a brand new account to Facebook. Just press your Facebook account and then search in Facebook account. Press create new account. Type in your first name, your last name, your mobile phone number, and new password, your birthday, and date of your birthday, the year of your birthday, and your gender. Then just press sign up. Done. You're done now, but this is just a test only example. So this is not gonna work like right now. So that's it, guys. I done. That's it, guys.